Hello, children. Good morning. Again, welcome to our St. Thomas family. We already started in our English subject, Unit 2. We go as per our further activity 6. Up to activity 5, we seen there were two parts: battle in the jungle and the animals fought, land animals and sky animals. Here in activity 6, we go with amazing story. I read out first. There are many amazing animals in the world. Amazing means extremely surprising. Extremely surprising. There are many amazing animals in the world, but many animals are in danger of extinction. Extinction means a situation in which something no longer extincts. Extinction means a situation in which something no longer exists. लंबा नहीं चलता. When animals are extinct, they no longer exist on earth. वो अपनी दुनिया पर, अपनी पृथ्वी पर लंबा नहीं जी सकते. Extinct means not now existing. Endangered means animals that are in danger of becoming extinct. When animals are extinct, they no longer exist on earth. Animals that are in danger of becoming extinct are called endangered animals. Some of these endangered animals live in India. One is called the Indian purple frog and it is very rare. Purple frog means living nearby us and it's called endangered. The purple frog lives in India's Western Ghats. This unusual place has mountains, forests, savannas, peat bogs and freshwater wetlands. Rare means not common. Here mention no, it is very rare. Rare means not common, very unusual. Savannas means a large flat area of land covered with grass, usually with few trees. बंजर जगह हम बोलते हैं ना. This unusual place has mountains, forests, savannas, peat bogs and freshwater wetlands. Because the Western Ghats have so much variety, it is home to a large variety of plants and animals. One of these animals, the purple frog, was only recently discovered. Where we find this purple frog? Places has mountains, forests, savannas, peat bogs and freshwater wetlands. Understand no बच्चे? Next para. Although local people knew about the frog, we know no now monsoon season going on. We see in puddles. है ना? Scientists only discovered it and realized it was a new species in 2003. Here Peat means a dark brown substance like soil which was formed by plants dying and becoming buried. It's called peat. Peat bog means an area of land from which peat is taken. Recently means of time, not long past. Discovered, found out, although, however, yet, still. Although means yet, still. Species, animals having similar characteristics. Burrow, to dig a ground. Termite, a small white tropical insect which eats wood. So बच्चे, the frog burrows underground and eats termites. Do you know no termites means eating wood? It's called the purple frog, the Indian purple frog or the pig-nosed frog. Different names for the same animal can be confusing. So scientists give animals and plants scientific names. Purple frog, pig-nosed frog. Understand now? The scientific name for the purple frog is Nasica batrachus yadranensis. It's a long name, but the name is useful for scientists because all scientists know this one name is for this one kind of frog. It is a matter of great worry that many animals in this world are in danger of extinction. They are called endangered animals. Here is a brief information about the rare Indian purple frog. बहुत देखने नहीं मिलते. Rare. The recently discovered purple frog lives in India's Western Ghats. Local people knew about the frog. Scientists discovered it and realized it was a new species in 2003. The frog burrows underground and eats termites. It is also known as the pig-nosed frog. To avoid confusion in names, the purple frog is given the scientific name very big. I spoke out already. Nasica batrachus yadranensis. It's a long name, but it is useful for scientists to know this one name for this kind of frog. So, बच्चे, we aware about this purple frog and it's a endangered animal. Now we go as per activity 7. Activity 7. Dinosaurs are extinct. अभी तो डायनासोर नहीं है, मालूम है ना बच्चे? You seen no this movie? The purple frog is endangered. How are these two words different? The purple frog is endangered. How are these two words different? Danger and endangered. Extinct is the word used for the animals that no longer exist in the world. अभी वो दुनिया में नहीं है. होता तो क्या होता? We alive? No. Difficult to live, no बच्चे? So, extinct means you understand that no longer exist in the world. Dinosaurs are no more in the world. So we can say that dinosaurs are extinct. While endangered is the word used for those animals which are in danger of becoming extinct. The purple frog still exists by they are in danger that in nearer future they may become extinct. Okay बच्चे, we understand about the difference between extinct and endangered. Once again, I explained very well that the meaning of extinct. Extinct means the word used for the animals that no longer exist in the world. Dinosaurs are no more in the world. So we can say that dinosaurs are extinct. अभी वो दुनिया में नहीं है. Endanger means the word used for those animals which are in danger of becoming extinct. The purple frog still exists, but they are in danger that in nearer future they may become extinct. जो वो दुनिया में लॉन्ग लाइफ रहेंगे तो वो क्या बन जाएंगे? डेंजर, और इट विल बी एक्सटिंक्ट. अंडरस्टैंड बच्चे? Here given, how are these two words different? Use the library, internet or other people who know about animals to find more information on extinct and endangered animals. We want this different, then we use the library, internet or other people help. One good source is here given the link http://archive.org. Learn about at least one animal that is new to you so that you can share information about it with your classmates. Now we get again this activity with our classmates, but now can't do it in this lockdown situation. So बच्चे, we will do afterwards when our school will open. Name 5 animals that are extinct. Name 5 animals that are endangered. But you can solve from this link already given in your textbook. So बच्चे, find out the extinct names and these endangered animals names. Compare your list to your classmates' list. Compare means to look carefully at their lists and yours to find out how the lists are the same or different. All are getting different names of extinct animals and endangered animals. Find an animal on a classmate's list that is not on your list. Now you prepare yourself this activity by this link and write down these five names of extinct animals and endangered animals. And after, when we meet, we compare these names. Okay, बच्चे? Now we have to write down this. I learned about the dash from my classmates named dash. You have to write down. Okay, I learned about the dash. What you learn? Northern supportive lemur या southern supportive lemur and your friend's name. Name 5 animals that are extinct. So, Syrian elephant, belly tiger, Flor's long-nosed rat, Chinese river dolphin, and giant tapir. That 5 names for extinct animals. बच्चे, I give this activity in our finishing unit 1 PDF. Then we start our PDF for unit 2. And name 5 animals that are endangered. Siberian tiger, vultures, black rhino, giant panda and alligator. These are endangered animals. Okay बच्चे, don't worry about this activity. I will give in my next PDF. As per we finish unit 1, then we will start unit 2 activities. Okay बच्चे. So here we finished activity 6 and activity 7. I hope you understand properly this story about purple frog and other name. Which one? The purple frog and Piago frog. Okay बच्चे, read out this story 2-3 times, and by this link you find out these 5 names for extinct animals and 5 names for endangered animals. Okay बच्चे, take care. And one thing, I send PDF of unit 2, that's remaining activities. Okay बच्चे, write down in your notebook this question, answer and everything, and we will meet in our next video. Take care, stay home, stay safe.